welcome to Violet Connie Art. I have a Scrawlrbox. I haven't had one for a little while, but Scrawlrbox sent me a email saying that this was their 50th box and they gave me a discount voucher, so I thought I'll get one for one off and get their 50th box. They also said there's an extra surprise in here, so that was also bonus. And I do love getting Scrawlrbox, so I thought why not just grab this one. So let's have a little look and see what's inside. I am very, very keen for this. Oh my goodness, it is full of purple stuff. Look at this. Purple, purple, purple. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it's got a glittery purple Scrawlrbox sticker, by far my favorite. Oh, I'm so excited about this. What's this over here? A white Derwent paint pen. Okay, in at 0.5. That's interesting. Oh, okay, it's a very fine nibbed one. Pop the lid back on that. Let's see what else is in here. The whole bag has ripped apart. It's got Copic markers. Okay, this is really cool. This lolly swizzles. Parma violets. And what else have we got? It's got an enamel pin. A Scrawlrbox enamel pin. That is very cool. Nifty. A kneadable eraser in a handy little container. My kneadable erasers get so dirty from sitting around, so this is handy to have it in a little container, if I can get it open. Oh yeah, it's a very hard one, very firm. A regular HB pencil by Faber-Castell. And look at this, a Copic marker pack. It's got two purples and a pink glitter pen and a liner, a red kind of liner. It's the purple doodle pack. Let's see. It's got multi-liner in wine. I love that name. So it's 0.3. And then a BV04. So it's a nice light kind of bluish purple. And then a BV00, which is a really light, nice purple. I like that they're light. That's very good. And then there's this. What is this? A At You Spicer. Pink, twinkling like stars. Oh, that's a very interesting looking pen. Oh, I'll have to read about what that is. And what's this in here? This is Drawing with Waffles. Yay! I love her stuff. Every time she has a video out, I watch her videos without fail. She is my favorite YouTuber. Absolutely. I watch her all the time and have binge watched her videos so many times and rewatched them as well. So it's Drawing with Waffles. Very, very cool. I can see why these supplies are in here now, because these are right down her alley. So yes, look at that. It's amazing. And two pieces of paper. Okay, let's get this box out of the way. So my desk is covered in black little splodges from Inktober. It's hard to get it off. So let's see what this is. It's got Copic purple doodle pack, Derwent white paint pen, pencil kneadable eraser, the Canson The Wall 220 GSM paper, and this one is dressed to the nines. Amazing. Alright, I'm going to get into swatching these. I can't wait. So for this box I decided to go with doing the Meet the Artist and do myself and a little bit about myself. I've been wanting to do it for a while and I'm not really into drawing fashion, so I thought drawing me would be the best idea. It's actually been a really, really long time since I actually filmed this footage and did the artwork, so I think it's been a couple of weeks and I just haven't got around to editing it. I've got lots of other things going on and lots of other things preoccupying my mind at the moment, so YouTube's kind of been put on the back burner. I really haven't been on YouTube much at all, and definitely haven't been making any art or anything. My time has definitely been taken up by other things. Anyway, back to this artwork. I decided to do the Meet the Artist, like I said, and I drew myself in my new favorite outfit. It's an outfit I got from Savers, and it's basically just purple jeans and a grey shirt. I had to use the colours that were in the box, so obviously my shirt's not grey and the colours aren't all exactly right, but I do like wearing this because purple jeans, when I seen them at Savers, I just needed to have them, and they were a bit big for me, so I had to bring them home and use my sewing machine to make them fit for me as well. I wasn't about to leave them there. I just needed purple pants. So I drew this outfit and I took a picture of myself. Actually, my son took a picture of me and I put it into Medibang paint, and I kind of cartoonized myself and drew it out onto this piece of paper, and then coloured it in with the Copic markers and lined it with the wine coloured pen. So I am pretty daggy kind of person. I don't like to dress up very much. I don't really wear makeup unless I feel like I have to, like I've got lots of acne or something, and even then I will go out without makeup on because it doesn't really bother me too much. I very rarely wear any nail polish or anything, and my nails are usually cut very short, and I just kind of, I'm not too girly. I don't mind nice girly things every now and again, like I do dye my hair and put face masks on the odd occasion and things like that, but as a general rule I'm a bit of a dag, but that's okay. I like being like that, then it's less maintenance, I guess. And I like spending my time doing other things like art or whatever it is I'm into at that time. I do a lot of other things like crafting and stuff as well. So I'm pretty much just drawing this outfit, and it has this weird symbol on it. If anyone knows what this symbol is, let me know. Like I said, I just went down to the local op shop Savers and bought these clothes because that's my favorite place to shop, nice and cheap, and you can get really good stuff there for like really low prices, which is really good. So if anyone knows what that symbol is, I probably should have done it in the white pen, it would have stuck out more, but anyway, that is what it is. Let me know in the comments below. So on to the info about me. That is my handle for Instagram, and I'm known as Violet Connie Art across the internet. I also have my website known as Violet Connie Art. I'm Australian and I'm 35 years old. I actually drew this picture, I think it was 2 days before my 35th birthday, which was a week or so ago now, maybe 2 weeks ago. I'm a Scorpio. I'm usually an introvert. I like to spend a lot of time on my own. I'm 158 centimeters, which converts to about 5'2", I think. And I am a mum of one, a very proud mum of one, and he is my whole world and I love him a lot, even though he's now 13 and I feel like I won't have him for much longer. So my likes and dislikes, I wasn't really sure what I should put into these sections, but of course my first one I was definitely going to put was purple, because purple is my favourite colour. It's what my channel is about a lot. I love arts and craft, like I said. I like painting and drawing, but I also like knitting and crafting things. My son has a lot of D&D little miniatures. I like helping him paint those. I've helped him make little sets for his D&D games and things like that. I like anything that makes me think. I love doing crosswords and things, which is not arts and craft, but that's kind of stuff I like. I love the warm weather. I also love driving. Driving is one of my favourite things in the world, and when I don't have a car or available access to be able to drive on my own, I go a little bit stir crazy, because getting in the car and driving is just so much freedom, and it's one of my by far favourite things to do. I do like spending a lot of time alone, so I do spend a lot of time alone. I'm not a person that needs like other people's energy often to feel comfortable. I actually find a lot of outside influence and people around me to be a little bit draining, so I do need a lot of downtime on my own, and especially like downtime with my son. I love roast vegetables, and especially pumpkin and sweet potato is so nice roasted. I love doing gardening, although I haven't really been getting into much of that lately. I love our little Daisy dog as well. And my favourite movie, I have so many, but I wrote Drop Dead Fred with Rick Mayall. He is a crack up. I love his stuff, especially the young ones is one of the things that I love a lot as well. And my favourite band is Nirvana. The funny little noise then was just my dog Daisy making little kissy sounds. She's having a dream. So my dislikes, I hate the cold weather. I hate it with a passion. I cannot stand being cold. I feel like it actually hurts me to be cold sometimes. So I'd much rather a 40-degree day than being a little bit cold any day. I hate cheese. Cheese is really gross. I can't stand it. Something about it just makes me gag really badly. And I hate drama around me, and I think this comes to be with being an introvert. You just don't like a lot of drama and you like things to be a bit calmer. I don't like needless rudeness, so I've very much instilled in my son to not be rude, and I hope that he does that outside the home as well, because whenever he's around I make sure that I pull him up on that. Not that he really is, he's a really good boy, but I just don't like people being needlessly rude for no reason. I just don't think there's any need for it. I really don't like snakes, and I'm always afraid of hopping into bed and there one being in one in my bed. But luckily for me, it has never happened yet, and I hope that it never, ever, ever does. I don't like enclosed spaces. I think it comes from childhood, playing a game with a blanket, being wrapped up with my brothers and sisters, and I just don't like enclosed spaces anymore. I hate housework, but what mum doesn't likes housework. It just is horrendous to have to do it every single day, and it never ever ends. I'm not big on physical contact, so I don't really like people touching me or like on the arm or stuff. I don't like hugs except from my son and from my dog. I'm just not the type of huggy kind of person. I don't like the unpredictability of chronic illness, which is I've been dealing with for the last couple of years now, just over 2 years, and I have gotten a lot better over the time, but yeah, it can really knock a big part of you out, and it's not nice. And the other thing, I don't really like having my photo taken, so you won't see me around very many places. I hope you've enjoyed my get to know you, meet the artist, and I will see you in the next video. I'm not sure when that's going to be. It could be in the new year, I'm thinking. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.